5 proven ways to pick the best protein powder. Proteins are regarded as the bodybuilding blocks. They are components of the various body parts. They are needed for repair and growth of the body muscles. Protein powders are commonly used by people doing workouts who are aiming to bodybuild. The following are 5 ways to help you get the best protein powder from the hundreds currently on the market. Stay away from hype. Most companies hype their health supplements, and this is the case with protein supplements. The products are hyped with unrealistic promises and claims. You should never buy into the hype of companies, which price their products beyond and above the reasonable pay. This does not imply that their products do not work, but they are not worth that cost being charged. Casein, isolate or concentrate. There is a big debate about which type of best protein is best to ingest. Concentrate is a very good source of protein powder. In addition, it is absorbed at moderate pace. It is a good idea to include it between the meals. Isolate, this type is absorbed rapidly and should be used immediately after the workout. This helps avoid starving of the muscle cells. On the other hand, casein has relatively longer digestion period as compared to isolate and concentrate. Pure and natural powders. It is important to note that the quality of any product is far better than the quantity. It is a good idea to look at the labels in deciding which is the right powder. A good product should not contain more than 10 ingredients. You should also go for a powder that is made of natural ingredients. Test of time. This is a very important factor in choosing the protein powder. You need to know how long the product and the manufacturer have been on the market. You should consider products which have been more than years and have received a positive feedback. Mass gained. You should note that not all the products are made equally. There are powders that will help you gain muscle mass and usually include fats, carbs, and proteins.